Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a general overview for you guys on the Nordica Rosa Maiolica. So right here we have the Rosa Maiolica shown in the burgundy color. Previously burgundy used to be a pretty popular color in North America. It's 2020, I've noticed since about 2019 that's starting to shift. So I'm curious, what do you guys think? Do you like this red color? Please leave it in the comments below. It really helps me to kind of gauge the market, to know what you guys are interested in, so I can import the right colors for your guys' needs. So this particular model is available in 3 colors. It's going to be available in this red. It's going to be available in a pure white color, and then a color that they call tortora, which is basically kind of an off beigey kind of a color. So I'm going to give you guys a general overview. So the Rosa Maiolica is always going to have a right hand flue. There is no option to change that. The right hand flue always means that your firebox will be on the left hand side. So the Rosa Maiolica is going to have a smaller firebox and a little bit bigger baking oven. So the Rosa Reverse is going to be the opposite, right? So I have other videos on the Rosa Reverse, but basically the Rosa Reverse is going to have a bigger firebox and the smaller baking oven, and that's the major difference. Rosa Reverse also has options for outside air, which this model does not. So inside the firebox, you do have a full cast iron firebox. You have a cast iron log stopper right here. This keeps your logs from falling forward and hitting the glass. Cast iron grate in the bottom, the sides, and the rear of the firebox are all going to be cast iron. Gasket located on the front door. Now you're going to have 2 primary damper controls here. Top is going to be what we would call your secondary or your air wash. So this brings air down from above over the glass, keeping your glass looking nice and clean. Located below the firebox is going to be what I call your primary. So your primary air control is going to bring your combustion air from underneath the firebox. You always want this open when starting your fire, okay? Don't forget. Located below the firebox, you do actually have this nice little lever here. This actually slides the grate back and forth. So when I pull out this lever, then the grate pulls forward, which would allow you to push your ashes like backwards, which will then dump them directly into your ash pan. So that's actually like pretty nice, because otherwise you would have to kind of like shimmy your ashes around to get them to fall through the holes in the grates. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Your oven is going to have gaskets on the sides of the door. Your oven control is located directly here on the top of the stove. And you do have basically just some extra storage here located below the oven. You could put pans down there, cookie sheets. So again, this is going to be the model with the larger baking oven. This is like pretty decent size. You should easily be able to fit like a standard cookie sheet or a pizza pan in here. Below the firebox, you do have a deeper storage on here. So you could store kindling, you could store pans, kind of anything you like right down in here. Now the Maiolica models are actually going to have your oven clean out located directly here on the top of the stove. That's what this square panel is for. The Maiolica model does have the removable rings, but just one set of the removable rings located right there. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.